Hello and welcome back, dear children, to the Acknowledge series by Amit Publishing House. I am Vandana and I am going to take your book 1. This is a book, English Grammar Plus Skills Unleashed workbook. And today we are going to do chapter 14, and the name of the chapter is Opposites. We have already learned what are opposites, but in this chapter we are going to learn more opposite words and some new words here. Let's begin with the chapter. We see many things around us which are different from one another. The pair of words we use to show the difference between two things, person, etc. are called opposite words. So, the word opposite means both the things are not looking similar. I have two things and both are not similar. They are opposite of each other. So, with the given examples, we will understand more and more. Old, here we can see there is a man, he is very old, and there is a young man here. So, the opposite of old is young. Here we can see there is a picture of an elephant and it is so big, and there is a mouse and it is so small. So, the opposite of big is small. There is something, and I think if we will touch it, our hand will burn. So, don't touch it. So, this is hot. And here we can see there is an ice cube that we can find in our fridge. So, it is very cold. So, these two words are the opposite of each other. Tall, we can see this pencil is so tall, and this one is shorter in size. So, the opposite of tall is short. Some more opposite words are given here. Let's read. The opposite of tall is short. We have already learned. White. The opposite of white is black. Clean, dirty. Fat, thin. Good, bad. Light, dark. Big, small. Able, unable. I am able to do some work, and I am unable to do some work. There is a difference between these two. I have been given some work, and if I complete it, then I am able to do it, and if I am not able to complete it, then I am unable to do it. Next is heavy, light, happy, sad. So, we are already aware by all these words. So, these are the words, and on the next right hand side here some opposites are given of these words. So, it's your homework that you have to learn all these opposite words and the words that we are going to do in our exercise. Let's begin with the exercise. First is we have to match the opposite words. First word is dry, and the opposite of dry is wet. Next is late. I am getting late for my school, and I am getting early. So, the opposite of late is early. Light, and the opposite of light is heavy. Laugh. So, the opposite of laugh is cry. Laughing means smiling, being happy, and crying means we are sad on something and we are shedding our tears. Happy, sad, and hard, soft. So, the opposite, we have matched all the opposites very carefully and correctly. Now, let's come to the new exercise. Here we have to pick out the correct opposite words from the box and fill in the blanks. Here we can see here a box is there, and from here we have to select the words and put it here. The tea is hot and the opposite of hot is cold. Ice cream is cold. Walnut is hard. We cannot break it like this. We have to break it is because it is very hard, and the opposite of hard is soft. Date is soft. Next, you are tall, this boy is tall, and I am short. Next, ice is white. We can see the picture, it is white, and coal is black. So complete these exercises quickly. Very good. All have given all the answers correctly. So students, by this we have come to the end of our chapter. So it's your homework that you have to learn all the opposite words that we have done in this chapter, and also the opposite words that we have done in the exercises, and find some new opposite words. At least find 10 opposite words and learn them. It will help you a lot in your exams. Till then, stay elated, and I'll be waiting for you in the next video, in your next chapter, with your next chapter, and let's say goodbye to each other.